Let's call the case of the people versus Jamie Burke.
Alex Chavalowski for the people.
And Alex Warren Green on behalf of Mr. Burke. Mr. Burke, when you get up here, can you please state your name for the court?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Jamie Burke.
All right.
This is the plea agreement. Can you sign here?
Your Honor, that's a plea agreement.
Okay. While he's signing that, my understanding of the plea agreement is that the defendant is going to be pleading no contest to the charge of retail second degree. On his plea to that charge, count one would be dismissed. There is also, once I get the form, some agreements that
That's agreement for 2 years probation and restitution agreed on at $1,242.
In a quiet courtroom, the air was heavy with tension. As Jamie Burke stood before the judge, his voice trembled slightly. This was the moment that would define his future. The plea of no contest wasn't just words. It was an acceptance of consequences, a silent admission that sometimes fighting back only brings more loss. The judge's tone was calm but firm, reminding Jamie of every right he was giving up, one by one.
This is the advice of rights. And Your Honor, Mr. Burke is now signing the advice of rights form after I just provided the court the...
I can't actually be at that address for a year.
Okay. Write your address.
I
Okay. That's fine.
homeless.
Yeah. I just...
Bad contact number as well.
Okay.
Could change that.
Yeah.
You should. And my copy is right here.
I have it here.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
And
Yes.
with
Mr. Warren Green, that was a correct statement of the agreement.
It was, Your Honor. It's a full understanding.
Got it. Okay, sir. May I have him sworn?
Right. You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give the truth, the whole truth, and the God.
yes,
State your name, please.
Jamie Burke.
All right, sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading no contest to the charge of retail fraud in the second degree. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and $2,000 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $2,000, that becomes the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yes, Your Honor.
Two things about it I have to make sure that you understand. The first thing is that it means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest this charge. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court will treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You understand also, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and I will check the sentencing judge waiver of the form. But you will be sentenced before Judge Valvo in the 15th District Court. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Basis for the no contest plea.
Potential civil liability, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, to the charge of retail fraud second degree, how do you plead?
No contest.
Now, you understand that by pleading no contest, that you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Correct, Your Honor.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions regarding any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading no contest, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights of that form.
Correct, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of rights.
Correct, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
Jamie, at the time of the offense, you were, right?
Correct. Your
And
Honor.
you've been violated by Lenawee County for the arrest in this, right?
Correct.
Okay. So you were on probation. You're indicating they have taken sanctions for this?
They have, Your Honor.
All right. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily,
Yes, Your Honor.
of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, the court has been handed Ann Arbor Police Department report for their case number 2357552. Any objection to the court having reviewed that report?
No.
None from the defense.
Based upon a review of that report, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of this offense. Sir, I do have to advise you from the time of me accepting your plea and the time of your sentence, if you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, that you would not be entitled to any sentence evaluation or recommendation to the court. The court would no longer be bound by that. You understand that?
I do, Your Honor.
And you understand also you would not be permitted to withdraw your plea.
Correct, Your Honor.
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements that have caused this plea?
None that have not been stated on the record.
None from the defense, Your Honor.
All right, and has the court complied with the court ruling, would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes.
Defense is satisfied.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of no contest to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
November 4th at 9 a.m.
set forth
Yes.
December 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Valvo.
I'll do it.
Bond in this case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. All right, welcome.
Okay. All right. That's all that I have, right?
Yes.
By the time the gavel dropped, silence filled the room. Justice had spoken, not through anger, but through order. The courtroom wasn't a place of revenge today, but reflection. Jamie's eyes said it all: regret, relief, and the weight of a second chance waiting to be earned.